struggle against apartheid oppression and exploitation is our people organized into mass formation of the democratic.
Nelson Mandela, a global icon and emblem of resistance against oppression, dedicated his life to the pursuit of justice, equality, and freedom. From his early activism to his presidency, Mandela's journey embodied strength and resilience. Born on July 18, 1918 in South Africa, Mandela's journey began amidst racial segregation and inequality. His early encounters with discrimination and witnessing the hardships faced by his fellow black South Africans ignited his passion for justice. Mandela joined the African National Congress in 1940. In 1964, Mandela was sentenced to life imprisonment during the infamous Rivonia trial. He spent 27 years behind bars. He used his time in prison to further educate himself and solidify his commitment to equality and liberation. In 1990, amidst global pressure, Nelson Mandela was finally released from prison. In 1994, he led the ANC to victory in the country's first democratic elections, becoming South Africa's first black president. Mandela's presidency from 1994 to 1999 was characterized by his relentless pursuit of racial harmony and inclusive governance. Mandela championed the values of forgiveness, unity, and social justice. Beyond the borders of South Africa, Nelson Mandela's leadership and activism had a profound impact worldwide. His message of freedom, equality, and justice resonated across continents. Nelson Mandela's life was glittered with courage, resilience, and statesmanship. From his early activism through his imprisonment and presidency, Mandela's unwavering commitment to social justice and equality transformed him into a global symbol of hope and reconciliation. As we remember his remarkable life, let us strive to embody Mandela's values and work towards a world built on compassion. SN Noor, 2 मिनट में